Hi! In this episode of
Coding with Eric.
we'll talk about how to implement a spam reporting add-in for Outlook.
And together, we will banish spam from the realm!
So the first thing that you should do is read the article, Implement an Integrated Spam Reporting Add-in on the learn.microsoft.com website. The article summarizes everything that you need to know about how to set up your environment, configure the manifest, and implement the event handler. You should also check the latest version of this article to verify what the currently supported platforms are and what the current build numbers are for the supported platform hosts. You can also join the Microsoft 365 Insider program. Select the beta option and you will get access to Office beta builds. So let's jump over to Outlook and see how the add-in works. The first thing you'll notice is the shiny Report Spam Message button on the ribbon. You're probably saying to yourself, hey, how did you get that button to appear way over on the left-hand side? My button's usually on the far right-hand side or stuck in the overflow menu. This new feature really makes it easy to implement a spam reporting solution. The add-in is featured prominently on the ribbon, makes it easy to find, and thus easy to submit a report. This will help you improve how unsolicited messages are tracked, and provide guidance to your users on how to report suspicious messages. It can also enable your operations team or your IT administrators to easily perform spam and phishing simulations for educational purposes. Now, although the UI is prepackaged, you can still customize all of the labels that you see on the screen by changing the text in the manifest for those labels' IDs. So let's see this in action and click the report button. The spam reporting event is then picked up by the JavaScript event handler. It's that easy. Now let's jump over to Visual Studio Code. The heart of the solution is really only three files: the manifest, the JavaScript file, and the HTML file. So let's take a look at what we need to configure in the manifest. In the runtimes element block, we need to specify the location of the HTML file for the runtime element and the location of the JavaScript file in the override child element of the runtime element. And this will point to the source location in the URLs element. To activate the add-in in the Outlook ribbon and prevent it from appearing at the end of the ribbon or in the overflow section, we need to set the XSI type of the extension point element to report phishing command surface. To customize the ribbon button and the pre-processing dialog, you must define the report phishing customization node. This is where you can set the text for the various labels in the UI. The action element is also where you can specify the function name for your spam reporting logic. The name of the event handler that we specified in the function name element of the manifest file must also be mapped to the office.actions.associate method in the JavaScript file. Inside the spam reporting event, you can use the getAsFile async method to get the base64 encoded EML format of the message for sending to a backend system or whatever you want. You can also specify the folder that the message is moved to and change the text and description of the post-processing dialog. So that's really all there is to it. If you have any questions, please leave a message in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, us add-in developers need to stick together.
Add-in developers, assemble!